Hi everyone. Do you know Power BI from Microsoft is a great demanding skill in the IT job market. Using Power BI, we can perform lot of data analysis, forecasts, AI and co-pilot activities. We can perform big data analytics and lot more. Power BI has cloud and non-cloud variants. In today's short session, let's explore the on-job activities in Power BI Cloud. My short session now is going to surely help you for your job activities as well as for your next interview activities also. Come on, let's get started with our Power BI Cloud item checklist. Let's get started. So far we have been learning good number of Power BI Cloud concepts, right? Let's recap what we did so far till now. I would like to hear from you. So please help me. Let's get started. I would like to hear from you. I would like to know like what are we learnt in our classes so far till now. Okay, let's see. So for this purpose, I'll be opening one small Excel file. In fact, our course curriculum file on my screen now. So here it is. I'll take it separate sheet. I'll call it as Power BI Cloud How-Tos. Yeah, please tell me. Please help me. What all we learnt in cloud? Please, I'll wait. Firstly, we learnt how to. Please, mic with everyone. How to configure cloud, right? How to create Power BI Cloud account, right? Power BI Cloud account. Next, please. How to? Yes. Exactly. Publish the report. Before that, how to log into cloud from Power BI desktop. Before that, if you remember correctly, before we do this activity, we learned how to create Power BI workspace. You remember, please, everyone, right? Exactly. Okay, perfect. Next, others, please help me. Everyone, please help me. What next we did? How to publish report to cloud, right? Next, how to verify reports and semantic models in cloud. Remember everyone, whenever we upload a report, we get some semantic model auto created, right? This one. Yep. Next, what else we did? We clicked on a particular report and edit the report, right? We clicked on edit report. This one. How to edit a report. Then how to no. Create new report from semantic model, isn't it? Let's not miss anything, okay? Let's not miss anything. Everything is important, right? So let's learn step by step carefully. Yes, we did how to create report from semantic model. What next? Please go through your notes carefully. Please go through your notes. What next we did? Yes, we got the complete detailed notes, right? Yeah, how to? Yes, how to? Yeah, how to create a dashboard, okay? Isn't it? Yes, how to create a dashboard. Then how to pin a visual. Yes, how to? Please, next, how to pin? No, not image. Enter page. Pin live we call, pin live, okay? Next, how to verify dashboard tiles. And then, yes, how to add image tile to dashboard. And how to add exactly text tile to dashboard. Yes, please observe carefully. So these are all the 13 items we learned day before yesterday, right? Day before yesterday, we learned all these 13 items. Next, what else we learned, please? I'll wait. No. I think we also learned how to perform Q&A, right? Isn't it Q&A? Yes, how to pin Q&A. How to pin tiles. No, tiles. Of course, visuals only. How to pin Q&A visuals as tiles into dashboard. Correct. Yes, this one. Yes. Okay. These are the items we learned day for yesterday. These items. Simple, straightforward, 1 minute activity each. Then what else we learned? Please. These are the main items we learned. Then what next, please? Come on, yesterday's class. What else we did? How to install gateway, also called data gateway. Remember, this is called data gateway. Then how to configure data gateway. Okay, next. How to configure data gateway. Then how to link gateway to semantic model exactly in cloud service. Okay, next, how to add data sources, how to refresh data, manual refresh, and also how to refresh data, automated scheduled refresh. Please, hope you remember this, everyone. Manual refresh, auto refresh, both we learned yesterday. So yesterday we had a small class for these items, and we also learned how to test data refresh for semantic models and reports, right? Both we learned yesterday. So these are the yesterday's items. I'll mail you all this content just to make it clear. Yes. So total 22 how-tos we did yesterday and day before. Come on. What are the how-tos we did today? Please, let's continue. Hope this revision is helping us, right? What do you say, please? Hope this is helping you. Yes? Great. Perfect. Great. Let's continue. Next, what else? How to? Today, what we did? How to copy a report. How to? Yeah, how to copy a report. Next. Yes, apart from copy, yes, we learned how to, I'll just take it this way. Yes, we'll go in order. So this one. Hope you are writing your observation notes. This one. Save a copy, then download the file. Download, manage permissions. How to download a report. And how to manage or how to add users to the report. And how to share the report. Then how to
print
exactly print report. How to print report. How to embed report into websites, blogs, SharePoint, etc. Then we learned how to generate QR code. Okay, in addition to our 50 examples on Power Query earlier classes, you please practice all these things carefully. How to rename a report. Next, how to export report. Right? We already mentioned share. What next? How to explore. How to perform data exploration. Remember, this is a preview feature. Next, how to subscribe. How to create report subscriptions. Okay, these items. Next. So until here yesterday, and these are all today's journey points. Okay, next. Then we learn today how to verify report associations with dashboards and semantic model. Next, how to generate lineage and how to generate usage metrics. Okay, these are the items we learned today. Next, our next activity is tomorrow. We are going to learn how to create alerts, how to create apps, how to share apps, and how to, sorry for the typo, this is how to share apps. And next, we are going to learn, yeah, please check your mic, please. Gangaveni, please check your mic, please. How to create apps. Next, we are going to learn something called how to create sections. There is something called sections we'll do tomorrow. Next, we are going to learn how to create audience groups. I understand we are all very new to the terminology, but good to know all these items. We'll do it slowly tomorrow's class. These fourth, 1 minute. Please wait, friends. Just wait. Yes. Let's continue. So here it is. Until yesterday we got metrics, right? Until today we got metrics. Tomorrow we'll see alerts, apps, something called sections, audience groups, how to share apps we'll do next. Then we'll see how to edit tiles, how to manage dashboards. Okay, these are the items we are going to learn next. Later we'll see how to use AI in Power BI and how to perform analytics in Power BI. Okay, and how to create or how to write DAX scripts in Power BI Cloud, a new feature in Power BI Cloud. Scripts directly in Power BI. Previous classes, we used to go for DAX in desktop tool. Now in cloud itself, we have that option. So for today, you please complete your practice until 1 to 36. And can we have a friendly mock test tomorrow, please? Can we? Tomorrow, please. I'll wait. Sure. We have few more items to be included in the list. I'll do it tomorrow anyway in our class. Let's make it 50. There are actually 50 items. We have one more concepts coming up next. Not tomorrow, mostly by day after. Let's go slowly, step by step. And here it is. Until usage metrics, please be clear. We'll stop for today. It's good that you watched the entire video. Hope it helped you. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. Support us. For more such videos on Azure, Python, MS SQL, Fabric, Postgres, Snowflake, AWS, and other big data and cloud technologies, do reach us www.sqlschool.com. Thank you so much. Let's stay tuned. Bye-bye. Take care.